Hello friends, today we have the Bosch windshield wipers that I'm going to install on my Honda Amaze. This is the Bosch Clear Advantage windshield wiper. Let's see how it looks like. I've opened the pack and the product looks really premium. You can see the finish, the quality is very premium. Now let's see how to install this on the car. So the first thing we need to do is we need to pick this wiper blade up. So on this wiper blade, just press the release mechanism and the wiper is out, the old wiper is out. I'll keep it on a side. Now to install my new Bosch wiper, the first thing I need to do is open this safety lock. So this is how it opens. You press it on the both sides and you lift it, and this is ready. So all now I need to do is, see, this is the wiper lock mechanism. So I will gently slide the wiper arm into this and you hear a click sound. That's when you know that the wiper is locked, and you lock the top mechanism. Here the wiper is ready to use. Now let's put it back. There you go. Looks perfect, doesn't it?